100 years ago, Lewis Carroll wrote about Alice's trip through the looking glass. Now, that fiction has become a reality.
Forge boldly into the future, where looking where you're going is a thing of the past. From the revolutionary company, behind the $1,000 stand, fast Type-C charging, 10 years after everyone else, and Craig.
How cool is that?
Freelancers now have 10 times more screens to distract you from the one task you've been procrastinating all week. To select and move, just pinch and drag. Wait, this reminds me of something. Now you can use Figma or Premiere Pro, making it the world's most expensive external monitor. And the biggest revolutionary step of all.
Spatial computing.
Spatial computing.
Spatial computing.
FaceTime your clients as an AI avatar that won't feel tired or humiliated to follow up on the payments over and over and over and over. Experience augmented reality so real, you'll forget why you walked into the room. It was to charge your Vision Pro. And if you think it's expensive, remember that it's a lifestyle choice. Specifically, the choice to live in debt. Dive into the future where the biggest challenge is figuring out why you're doing this to yourself. The Apple Vision Pro. Live less, pay more. Brought to you by Airlift. It's free and makes websites fast, really fast.